I wanna drive you.
Miami stays in Miami.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Heard you. Okay. You spit back in their mouth? No. I bet you.
What happens in Miami stays in Miami.
That's the freakiest thing you've ever done. Yeah. We get it. It's the last day in Miami, but we can't go outside like this. And this is why I decided to throw the biggest yacht party in Miami. First things first, we needed to tell people about the party. So that's why I made it my duty to make custom flyers and spread the word throughout the whole entire strip of Miami. And the only thing that was left to get was a big ass yacht. Be on a yacht. You know what that mean, right? What happens on a yacht? Stays on a yacht. Glad we here. Word. Oh, this is what we do? Oh. Okay. Everybody down there. Yo, Punga. I ain't gonna lie. This is vibey, I ain't gonna lie. This is vibey. We went from driving around in Boston, motoring around, word, because what happens on this yacht, gonna stay on this yacht. Like, good. Welcome to this section. This is gonna be the little section of the night.
Hi, Kai. Hi, everyone.
Yo, y'all wanna sit down?
Stop.
What you mean stop?
It was in my face, so my face not blended.
Got the bar. Everything on black.
I'm buying 5 girls, 3 shots.
Dressed like you ready to word. What you doing on this yacht?
We're getting benty tonight, family.
What's this?
What is this?
This Versace? Oh shit.
Demon time tonight.
Oh, demon time.
Demon time.
Ooh.
Demon time tonight.
What that mean? Like you about to try to get some bitches?
Yeah, get some, get nutty a little bit. Come on.
Get some bit. Oh, get some bit out.
Nah, some sloppy up in NBA.
Oh, ladies, drinks on me. Alright? Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I never ran down on somebody at the bar. I feel like an old nigga. How y'all doing today, ladies? I'm a crowd. I leave Miami. I ain't gonna lie. It really Miami. We was never.
Y'all would listen.
Vibes. So much vibes.
I watched last time how I panicked when it was time to leave Boston. Watch what I do when it's time to leave Miami.
Everything on car. Everything on car.
Get the fuck out of here.
I want 20 drinks. 20 drinks.
What brings you here? It's your first time here or what? Like.
Nah, I come here often.
You come here often? Okay. How they call you PQ again?
I don't know. It's word.
You know why they call me Ka?
Why?
They call me Ka. It's two. Word. Word. Shit. Oh shit. What the fuck?
What happens in Miami stays in Miami.
It's time to get my guys. Oh, nigga, I'm on fire. Icy as a hockey, nigga, I'm on fire.
What happens in Miami? Go definitely stay in Miami.
Nigga, hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? I'm like 10K in the main cash and around like I'm broke. I'm like, real nigga, what up? Real nigga, what up? Oh my, ain't nobody waiting. Oh my, ain't nobody waiting. Family, say family.
When you leaving?
April.
April? I'm dead leaving April. What happens in Miami?
Stays in Miami.
Give me some waistline, waistline. Come on, Phil. We're taking over. New York, right? We from New York, right? From New York, right? New York. Everybody from New York. Big tubby, medium tubby, and little tubby. If I go home, I'm a fool. Your pussy's better than yours. Kill him, Kyle. Kill him. Kill him, Kyle. Kill him, Kyle.
I can't just sit down, motherfucker.
Oh, you gonna sit down? Hold on. What you about to get into?
You know what's so mean, man?
No, the word. Oh, nah, this real nigga.
Y'all niggas is butt for real. Y'all not even outside.
Y'all 3D with no hoes. Where's your hoes at? Huh? Where your hoes? You came from Cali, Maya. I
Still love Maya.
You still love Maya?
Oh shit.
What?
We in fucking Miami. You talking about you love Maya.
I ain't gonna lie, guys. It's time to go. It's time to go, bro. How you feel?
I feel, you know how I feel, word.
We was gonna extend it, but time ran out. You feel what I'm saying? We had to just come to a conclusion that we're gonna end up leaving for the best of us. You feel what I'm saying? Guys, enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I'm mad right now because my son Duke just landed. I'm tight. What happens in Miami stays in Miami.